1954 Chevrolet 3100 pickup. Price: $26,500. Location: Kansas. The 1954 Chevrolet 3100 pickup is a breathtaking example of classic American craftsmanship that continues to capture the hearts of collectors around the world. Finished in a beautiful Mariner blue exterior, this vintage truck instantly stands out with its timeless styling, bold presence, and unmistakable 1950s character. The exterior design showcases everything enthusiasts love about classic Chevrolet trucks. From the gleaming chrome bumpers and chrome Chevrolet hubcaps to the wide whitewall tires and sturdy 16-inch steel wheels, every angle of this pickup reflects an era when trucks were built with both durability and style in mind. The power comes from a reliable inline-six engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, creating an enjoyable driving experience for both seasoned collectors and newcomers to the classic car hobby. The single-barrel carburetor and dual exhaust system help deliver the authentic sound and feel that make vintage American pickups so desirable. The interior offers a welcoming cabin with a comfortable bench seat that perfectly complements the truck's nostalgic appeal. Manual windows, vent windows, a driver-side mirror, and SunPro instrumentation add to the authentic driving experience while maintaining the simplicity that made these trucks famous for their dependability. The truck bed is one of the most impressive features, highlighted by beautiful wooden bed planks that provide both functionality and classic charm. Combined with the body side steps and period-correct details, this Chevrolet looks ready for a weekend cruise, a classic car show, or a place of honor in a private collection. The Chevrolet 3100 has earned its reputation as one of the most iconic pickup trucks ever produced. Its rugged construction, legendary reliability, and distinctive styling have made it a favorite among enthusiasts for decades. Finding an example that remains mechanically sound and visually stunning like this one is becoming increasingly difficult. The opportunity to own a classic American truck with this level of presentation does not come around every day. Offered at $26,500 in Kansas, this 1954 Chevrolet 3100 pickup represents more than just transportation. It is a rolling piece of automotive history that continues to inspire admiration wherever it goes. Whether you're a collector, an investor, or simply a fan of vintage vehicles, this remarkable pickup deserves a closer look.